and welcome to Model Kit Stuff. My name is Jason and this is a subscriber special because today we have hit 2,000 subscribers. So first of all, I have to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you that has hit that subscribe button over the last year and a bit. I really appreciate it. It's not something I really expected. In fact, I'm not really sure what I expected. I certainly didn't expect to enjoy doing this as much as I do, but I really do enjoy doing this, and now there's 2,000 of you who enjoy watching my videos or some of my videos, or for whatever reason have felt that they want to make sure that they don't miss what comes out of this channel. So thank you so much. And my way of thanking you, just like last year when we hit 1,000 subscribers, is to let you, the subscriber, choose what we build next. Now, so let me tell you how this is going to work. So if you watch my January roundup, you will know that there are two builds that I want to tackle during the course of 2022. One is a German warship and the other is a large-scale model aircraft. Because I haven't done one for a little while. The last one I did was a 1/24 scale Hellcat from Airfix. Magnificent kits, total fun to build, but I just built that before I started the channel, so you guys really never got to see it. So what I want to do is build a 1/32 scale aircraft, and that build will come after we've done the 80th anniversary Tiger 1 diorama build, which is following on from the tropical hurricane build. So we are 2 builds away from starting a 1/32 scale aircraft, and now I need to be thinking about the planning of that already, doing the research and bits and pieces like that. So to get that underway, I need to make the decision, but that's where you guys come. So just like last year when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I want to say thank you by letting you choose what we build next. So I have 4 kits here. They're all 1/32 scale. Other than that, they're completely different. They are different in complexity, they are different in subject matter, mainly. The only common denominator is the scale. Now, I'm going to take you through these 4 kits in a moment. All 4 of these kits have been reviewed on this channel, so if you go to my playlists and dig out the first impressions, you'll find all 4 of these in the Battle of the 132's First Impressions playlist, and they've all got an individual video looking at them and any aftermarket I might have in them. So if you're not sure which to choose, go and have a look at those. That might help you. And then what I would like you to do is make a decision, and then in the comments below this video, tell me which one you would like to see being built next. So let's have a look at the 4 kits that are options. So the first option is this Edward BF108. It's a beautiful kit that comes with etch and some resin parts. I'm really excited to build this. It's not a subject that's done to death, so there's not a lot of builds of this aircraft in this scale around, so it'll be really interesting to see. It's an Edward kit, so anything could happen in terms of the build, but having been through the kit, it looks really nice, and I can't wait to get stuck into it. So that is option 1. So if you're interested in seeing this built, put in the comments underneath BF108. So option 2 is this Tamiya Corsair. Don't let the box size fool you, it is absolutely packed to the gunnels with lots and lots of parts. The part count is probably the second highest of all 4 of the kits, and in addition we've got a big headset in there as well, so there is lots to do. This will not be a quick build, but a beautiful aircraft. I've never built a Corsair before. I love the shape of the wings. I just think it's a beautiful looking aircraft, and it's been a subject that's been on my to-do list for many years. So I'm really looking forward to this. This is the export version, so we do have clear cowls, so who knows which direction I'll go in. I don't know yet. So if you're interested in seeing this built, then put Corsair in the comments underneath. So, option 3 is this beauty by Wingnut Wings, and the number of Wingnut Wings builds you see is really dropping off. I think people have these in their stash and don't want to build them, see them as maybe an opportunity to hang on to them and make some money. Well, my view is this: no point being the richest person in the graveyard, let's build it. It's a model kit after all, that's what it was meant for. So I'm going to build it at some point. I could be building it next, that's up to you. So if you want to see this Wingnut Wings Gotha UWD, which is the float plane version, seaplane version, and when it comes to aftermarket for this kit, we've got a number of wood grain decals, and we've got seat harnesses. Otherwise, this is a straight build out of the box. So if you're interested in seeing this get built, then in the comments below, put the word Gotha. Option number 4 is this absolutely stunning kit from Zukimura, the Henschel 129B2. Now, it's a Zukimura kit, so this is the only one that doesn't have any aftermarket. It really doesn't need it. And if you know anything about Zukimura, you know that we're going to spend an awful lot of time building stuff that will end up never being seen. This is a true kit that was aimed at YouTube builders, because to get the best out of this kit, you need to watch it on video. You're never going to see all those bits and pieces that you built up on the engine and all the inside ribs of the fuselage and the wings. So having that on record on video is the best way to build a Zukimura kit. So if you're interested in seeing this beauty come together, then please in the comments below put HS129. So those are the 4 kits. If you want to vote for one of these, you want to see one of these get built in a couple of builds time, then all you have to do is put BF108 or Corsair or Gotha or HS129 in the comments below. I will leave the video up for a couple of weeks, and then I will count all the votes, and then I will do another video and tell you which one had the most votes, and that'll be the one we build. Simple as that. So it's over to you. If you're not sure, go and have a look at the First Impressions videos in the First Impressions playlist, and that will give you a good in-depth view of each one of these kits. And then come back to me, let me know what you want me to see build. At this moment in time, I pretty much intend to build all of these kits as they're seen on the box art. So that's what you'd expect to see at the end of a build. I'm going to leave it with you. Thank you very, very much for subscribing. Take care, everyone. Enjoy your modelling, and I will see you very soon.